We're engraving on leather today. Let me show you how I engraved this onto this. I scanned the piece of paper with my phone first, and then I imported it to CorelDRAW to get it ready for the engraving. This way we can keep the handwriting exactly how it was, and it will be perfect for engraving on the wallet. Here I'm in CorelDRAW, working on the little letter that she wrote. I traced her handwriting first, and now I'm tidying it up a bit by editing the notes. The goal is to keep the original handwriting while making it smooth for the engraving. For this part, we used the machine's camera in LightBurn, and we updated the overlay so that we can line the design up with the wallet perfectly. The speed is set to 1000 and the power to 10. Let's go check the engraving process. We engraved the wallet twice because it wasn't completely level. One side was a bit higher than the other, and we didn't want to risk burning the leather. By doing it in 2 passes, we made sure that the engraving came out clean. After polishing the wood with leather cleaner, it popped beautifully. Smooth, consistent, and professional. There we go. The wallet's done and the engraving looks amazing. Now this little message is officially permanent.